Have you ever had a performance review that felt pointless? You sit there, listen to feedback from months ago, get a rating, maybe a small increment, and then go back to work exactly the same way. So here's the real question. If performance reviews are supposed to improve performance, why do so many people feel they don't work? Because the truth is, traditional performance reviews are broken, and companies are slowly moving away from them. The biggest problem is timing. Most companies review performance once or twice a year. But think about it. If you make a mistake in January and get feedback in December, what's the point? Business today moves fast. Projects change, goals shift, and waiting months to give feedback makes it irrelevant. By the time the review happens, the situation has already changed. Another issue is bias. Performance reviews often depend heavily on a manager's perception. Recency bias is common. What you did in the last few weeks matters more than what you did the rest of the year. Personal bias also plays a role. Some employees are naturally more visible, more vocal, or more aligned with their manager's style, and that affects how they are rated. So instead of being objective, reviews often become subjective. Then there's the problem of forced ratings. Many companies use rating systems where employees are placed into categories. Top performer, average. Low performer. But real performance is not that simple. People don't fit neatly into boxes. Yet these systems force managers to rank employees, creating frustration, competition, and sometimes even unhealthy workplace dynamics. Let's take a simple example. An employee works consistently well throughout the year, but has one bad month close to the review cycle. Another employee performs average most of the year, but delivers one strong project right before reviews. In many cases, the second employee gets rated higher, not because they performed better overall, but because of timing. That's not performance measurement. That's distortion. So what's replacing traditional reviews? Continuous performance management. Instead of one big review, companies are moving toward regular check-ins, real-time feedback, and ongoing conversations. Managers and employees meet frequently to discuss progress, challenges, and improvements. Goals are updated dynamically, not fixed for an entire year. This makes feedback timely, relevant, and actionable. Technology and AI are also changing the system. Companies can now track performance data continuously, outputs, collaboration, engagement, and use that data to support decisions. This reduces reliance on memory and personal bias. It doesn't eliminate bias completely, but it makes the process more transparent and consistent. But here's the key shift. Performance is no longer just judged at the end. It's managed throughout the journey. The focus is not, how did you perform last year, but how can you perform better right now? And that changes everything. At the Learning Studio, we're breaking down 100 subjects into simple, powerful video series so you can learn smarter and understand how the world actually works. Because once you understand why performance reviews are broken, you stop waiting for feedback and start taking control of your performance in real time.